Today's trade was absolutely incredible. It's probably the biggest winning trade that I've actually held on an intraday basis. In recent memory, I used to be a swing trader, so people on stream today were asking if I'd ever caught a trade worth this many points, and technically I probably have in the past, but when I was a swing trader. So since I've been like an intraday session trader, this might be my biggest trade that I've actually been able to capture an entire move. I caught 300 points today on the shorts. I was copy trading across 4 Top Step X funded accounts. And if you guys want to try them out yourself, feel free. The link in the description will give you 20% off. But anyway, great trade today. Feel like I was really in tune with market pretty much all week long. The only day that I lost was Tuesday, and I had the right direction. I had the right bias. I was just a little early on my timing, unfortunately, and then I was too skittish to play the move. Otherwise, honestly, it would have been a pretty much green week across the board. Even yesterday with my execution being sloppy on my end, we still ended up green. So all in all, pretty content with the week. I mean, obviously amazing to end the week on such a huge winning trade. So I'm definitely going to go take a payout after I upload this video, and then I will just get off the charts and enjoy the weekend. Next week we have NFP week, so NFP protocol trading Monday through Wednesday, probably being sidelined Thursday, and then trading NFP after the news. But if you're new to my channel, I stream live most days of the week right here on this channel here on YouTube about 10 minutes before market open. So if you're interested, feel free to come hang out, check it out. But without further ado, boys and girls, enjoy the recap, and I'll see you guys next week. Yo, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome in, welcome in. We got market open here in about 20 seconds. Hop on in, boys and girls. The water is fine. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My opinion on where price goes today, because of how this weekly candle has now formed after yesterday, I believe we'll at least see previous weekly low. That's my bias for today. I don't necessarily demand or have a whole lot of confidence that we'll go take out the low from this previous weekly range. So 2 weeks ago, maybe if we get some good volatility today, that could be possible. I think Fridays can be just kind of hit or miss is all. I believe personally that if we are gonna see lower prices from here, we're just gonna see continuation lower. I would expect the first or the lower 50% of this opening range gap to hold, honestly. 5-minute BPR tap here. So similar to, think about how we played Wednesday. Price was kind of choppy in the first like 15 minutes. We traded up into a 5-minute PD array, and then we waited for confirmation on the lower time frames to find entry. Let's see if we do end up getting any confirmation out of here lower. Well, that gives us a nice bearish order block to potentially use here. I like this. I like this candle here. Ooh. Shoot, it's kind of running. Guys, I'm going to try this short. I'm in. I'm trying to short off this order block. Sorry, 1 second. I'm in. Trying to set this trade up here. I'm taking it to previous weekly low, 602. See if it wants to deliver. We do still got a few minutes here until we get into the macro. Oops. And new medium impact news in 15 minutes. I'm playing this off of the respect of the 5-minute. My draw going into the day was lower. And I'm playing this 1-minute order block that just got printed in. We still have a 3-minute to get through here. If we can get through that 3-minute, we should be in smooth sailing waters, I think. And then I'll just protect the trade once we trade through the recent low. So a 3-minute is currently holding this up. If we can get through here. Oh no, we did get through it. All right. I think this looks good, to be honest. See if it will give us this inversion and see it move lower here. Brian's in long from the 935 gap. You son of a bitch, Brian. Why you do me like that? Zach says, why are you trading against the SMT? We have SMT on both sides right now. So technically, you could say that about either position. You know, the beautiful part about watching somebody live stream is my trades don't affect your trades. If you don't like the trade, you don't have to take it. And if I get stopped out, you can just watch. You know, kind of get your money's worth, right? So I did not end up waiting till 10 a.m. If this trade fails, I'll wait till 10 a.m. You hate when you're long and I'm short. Why? I get it wrong too sometimes. You gotta have confidence in your ability to read price. If you don't have confidence in your ability to read price, you're always gonna have that issue. People have done this to me in the chat sometimes too, where they're just like, oh well, this other streamer is short and you're long, and then like there's times where it plays out in my favor, and then there's times it plays out in their favor. Like you can have the same trading style, which is ICT concepts for all of us. Some days you get it right, some days somebody else gets it wrong, or vice versa. At the end of the day, trading is still unique to the individual and what you're looking for. Funny how the actual move is playing out here now that the macro is beginning. And people want to say macros don't exist. I say bullshit. Happy I didn't listen to the chat and close my trade. Sometimes it's like the chat is the ops. Not only am I trying to trade against myself and my own thoughts, then I got the chat telling me shit. Man. The ops. That's what you guys are, the ops. Why you guys do that? Up 50 points on this trade, guys. Make sure there's no SMT. Okay, ES is trading through the low there. So we do have another bullish SMT at this external low here. So for that reason, I'll go ahead and protect it now. See if we can get this follow through to the downside. Wisebro short already. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. I'm going to take a partial there. Look at that. News just came out. All right, guys. So from here, just fast forwarding through the trade. This was a 300-point move, so it did take a while. Just speeding this up, I do take another partial at that -1 standard deviations as I'm just kind of trailing the stop along at different PD rays that form to just lock in profits as we get closer to the final target, which was previous weekly low. Just get right on through there, boy. Come on. Boom! Come on! Nice. Do the Fasa. Oh my god. What a great trade. I can't believe I was going to take today off. What a stupid decision that would have been.